Now, I'll show you some MZ light stands and some accessories. This light stand opens up until 2.4 meters. This light stand opens up until 2.8 meters. This light stand opens until 3 meters, and this at 3.8. Let's set up this MZ light stand. Let's also set up this LED light on our light stand. This light stand provides air cushion, so you won't need to worry about damaging your lights if you leave the bolt untightened. Here we have a variety of clamps, so we can mount different light accessories to your light stand. This is called a super clamp. This an umbrella clamp. This one is an umbrella adapter. This is an umbrella clip. And this is an M11 clamp. This is a roof stand. You can mount your lights here and attach it to the roof. This is a reflector holder, so you can mount your reflector without needing any assistance. And this is a boom pole. And now I'll show you how to mount a reflector with this reflector holder. For more details on MZ lighting products, you can visit m-z.gr.